Hello, in this lesson we will be discussing homeostasis. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to define homeostasis and explain the role that each system plays in maintaining homeostasis. Let's begin the lesson by simply defining what homeostasis is. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain internal stability. The body must be able to adjust to conditions that are necessary for survival. Overall, successful homeostasis equals a continuation of life. Unsuccessful homeostasis can result in death. Homeostatic mechanisms respond in the form of a looping mechanism. Positive feedback maintains the direction of the stimulus, while negative feedback reverses the direction of the stimulus. Let's look at some examples of these to better understand these mechanisms. Labor contractions is an example of positive feedback. Oxytocin is released. During labor, oxytocin is released, which stimulates muscle contractions. Muscle contractions intensify until the baby is pushed out of the birth canal. Blood clotting is another example of positive feedback. When one clotting factor is activated, the next blood clotting factor follows. Blood clotting maintains the direction of the stimulus. On the other hand, you have negative feedback. Thermoregulation is an example of negative feedback. When the body is cold, heat is lost. As a result, we shiver in order to generate heat. On the other hand, when the body is hot, the body gains heat. In order to cool off, we sweat. All of these are examples of how the body maintains homeostasis. Blood pressure is another example. Blood pressure homeostasis is another example of negative feedback. Several organ systems are involved in maintaining homeostasis. We're only going to touch on a few. So the pancreas regulates blood glucose levels. The lungs carry out the process of respiration. The kidneys regulate the amount of water present within the human body. All of these are very important factors and are very necessary for survival. In conclusion, homeostasis is a very important mechanism that maintains stable conditions and is necessary for survival. The body must maintain steady levels of temperature, water, protein, oxygen, amongst other things, in order to survive. If anything disrupts these levels, homeostasis works to correct it.